I think this is the time where we all just have to agree that Utandiswa is a problem child. Wherever she is, trouble has to follow her. Nanoma engaqondile. Now, this guy comes through to the hotel trying to find out where Zweletu is, but he had already checked out. In the evening, there's these two gentlemen that comes with Ubabumdala saying, Mina no Zweletu, we are business partners. Have he not said anything about me? Even Nasekumbin Loglala. That now raises red flags. You start thinking, why would you be coming to my house at night? One. Two, that you're going with two of them. What is happening? Why would you need to be protected while coming to my house? Three, you don't even introduce yourself properly. You start saying that, hasn't he spoken about me? Who are you? And are we safe in this house? Utandiso asked Uzweletu, are we safe? And the problem is when she started mentioning that name, then Uzweletu was not really comfortable with the question and started to want to know why, who, how. Obviously, they had to go and meet. But again, for the mere fact, this guy, I think I used for the mere fact, that this guy came to the house. Somewhere. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Smoke and Mirrors. Sanbonan abshin molwen minjani. Hipukile hingongwina. So namutlaka nongo kwa hina was Smoke and Mirrors. Hikuma last time sekangi kahle looking at the fact that there is what was supposed to be a Mandwendwe, but it's not. It's like Mandwendwe Light. No, it's not Mandwendwe Light. It's Damages. Uma Kolide decided that he's going to uqoqa abangani bakhe o-team to go bayomphelezela ayokhipha inhlawulo yomntwana. Kodwa ke inkinga ukuthi uMamiki really wished so bad that they could have been coming to hlawula her and marry her. But that's not the case, which made her feel so very bad to a point yokuthi when they came in bathi khulekani abosibanibani siyafika-ke singobanibani bese yathi avuleleni ayanqonqoza, like that part, it just threw me off the window. Anyway, umngani wakhe Petunia told her, no, these people, they're not coming for you, they're coming for umntwana. Can we amugela that and just keep it moving? Because if you don't amugela, now you're going to have this hatred as undlulele emntwaneni. Well, she then decided, okay, yes, it's fine. Futhi nakhona bekahleli la where they're supposed to be negotiating, and then she was told to move away and go to the room so that the Mandwendwes can come to hlaula the mntwanas. Now, when the Mandwendwes come, it's like batho ba ba lasta man. Both him babutisa gore why le ribela dikuku because you were supposed to bega ugoloko endlulala ishayela ibanda nte. But again, at the end of the day, the mother Mampinki came in. Yena o batla ditšhelete tse di ngata like ha ke tlhaloganye gore na re mme o bereka byang because tšhelete itse ha itswa a re yena pila o nyaka go tswe 100,000. Out of that 100,000, then uMakolite athi lalela into siphethela u-30,000 and that's all we're going to give you. Otherwise siyahamba ke bese evumela. Hawu base bathi bayibeka iphansi 30,000 ke umama wayithatha wayifaka ngapha. So it was a bit of a moment. And then again, speaking of Petunia Usakile is gone and he's not planning to come back anytime soon, which is making Guti Petunia abena burudu buhurane, because now she's asking everyone to go and nobody is up for it because it wasn't planned. And I feel like she's having this moment where she is lonely and doesn't know who to talk to and where to go. And umngani wakho pregnant ngapha, the other mngani is preparing umntwana for umathelekutshane, so she is just so alone. And then we are phone again indoda yakhe uSakile saying, you know what, I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for Mpendulo. I need a bit of more time. And she said, yes, I understand. Now if you made it this far, thank you so much, and please subscribe and give a thumbs up.